Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Sometimes we do give you food, drink, all different kind of stuff. Anyway, today we want to give you a healthy drink. And we want this healthy drink. I want you guys to try this for 1 week. Can you try this for 1 week? We all know spinach. This is spinach. Basically you can get spinach anywhere to buy. You know, spinach is really good for you. Spinach is healthy and it's just natural veg. So you can have it. So anyway, what would I simply say to you guys? Can you have a drink like this for 1 week and get the result? And let Chef Ricardo know. Alright? Anyway, we're going to show you how you can make yourself a nice lovely drink at home. If you're at home and you want to make yourself a lovely drink, this is where it comes in really handy. I have some red apple which I just diced up a while ago. I cut up my red apple very small. I have 1 handful of spinach right here. I wash it off. That's the first thing you need to do, is to wash your spinach, please, for health and safety. Alright? Make sure your spinach down inside of it like this. I just cut up 1 red apple and I'm gonna simply put it straight down inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. Right here I have just a little piece of a ginger. Look at that. Just a little piece. I remove the skin from the ginger and it's a little bit chunky. I'm gonna pop it straight inside of it like this. Right here I have some natural orange juice, which I'm gonna use. Alright? And I'm gonna pour roughly half cups of orange juice inside of it. Just like this. Nice and lovely. That's half cups of orange juice. And all I'm gonna do is cover it. And I'm gonna blend this for probably about 3 to 4 seconds, 4 seconds to 3 seconds, because of the kind of smoothie blender which I'm using. I'm using a blender which is very good, quick and fast. I don't know the type you're using, but this one is like probably take about 2 to 3 seconds. And it's done. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Then now we're gonna pour it into a nice, lovely glass. Right here, this is my glass, and this is how it go. Just like this, guys. Look at that. That is fantastic. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Can you do this for 1 week? We can get spinach. This is London. You can get spinach, apple, and ginger. If you're in America, you can do the same thing. You can get spinach in the supermarket. I know. If you're in Jamaica, you don't have to use spinach. You can use another leaf, which look almost similar to spinach. Anywhere in the world you are, you can make this drink. It is spinach, ginger, and apple. It's a lovely recipe, and I'm telling you, we're gonna try it together. Let's try it. This is beautiful. Really nice. The beauty I want to simply say to you, you don't need to use orange juice. That's the beauty I like about this thing. You can use also apple juice, alright? But I just say let's give it a blend with the apple and the orange and the spinach. Fantastic, guys. So give it a try. Try for a week and get the result. I'm telling you, if you do this for 1 week at home, I'm telling you, you will be healthy, fit, strong, and look sexy and look good. Man, I'm not talking to the man, I'm talking to the ladies at the moment. Man, if you want iron, this is where it goes. A healthy drink is good for you. Look healthy, stay fit and healthy, and look good. Sorry about that. Anyway, but I want to simply say to you, it is a very good drink. And you know what I mean, I saw the recipe and I did the recipe. Now guys, just make you guys understand, this is a beautiful and a fantastic recipe. Spinach, ginger, and also apple juice or orange juice. Whatever you like to use, you can use it. I want to simply say Black History Month is coming up, which is